Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all doing well. Today we got our parcel. We ordered this item, it's not even a week. It was a very fast delivery. We are now gonna open this machine and show you guys what is inside. If you don't know, we have couple of Indian restaurants in Lappeenranta, Finland. And in our restaurants, we use sous vide method to cook all of our food. We have in our restaurant, these machines are really big, but my husband is really passionate about cooking and trying new stuff. So we saw this Anova precision cooker. It's a sous vide machine. If you don't know about sous vide, it's a machine where you can cook food in water. So the temperature is always have to be the same, and this machine will help to cook the food in the same temperature all the time. It takes time, but the food quality and taste is much more better than stove. So when you open the packet, you can see this is like a small manual. This machine is quite heavy, not so heavy, but quite heavy that you can feel it's a very high quality machine. This is how you're gonna adjust the machine in your pot, and you can turn it around to fix which position you want this to put on your pot. The design of this machine is really cool and sleek. So I'm gonna take off the plastic. If you want, you can keep them. In this machine, you can see there is a minimum and maximum level of water, how much of water you can put in your bowl. Unfortunately, I like this machine, but the cord is very small. This means you have to cook near the socket. My son also wants to join with us. So we are preparing to cook a food. In this video, I'm not going to show you the food or how we make it, but I'm going to review the product. And in the next video, I will show you how I make food using this sous vide method. So now I'm putting this machine inside of this small kettle. It's not small, it's quite big. And I put water in a maximum level. You can put in a minimum or maximum level. I put not in a maximum level, but in the middle, because we don't need that much of water. Once it's turned on, you can increase or decrease the temperature, and there is the top right, it's a time, how much time you want to put on. The middle button is the pause button. If you want to pause, you can pause it. Once the machine is on, you can see the water will be vibrating. Also, the fun part about this machine is you can use this machine with your phone. So they have an app. You can use that app and you can just set everything with your phone. You don't have to touch the machine. So I'm going to connect and enable my location, and I'm going to connect it with my Wi-Fi. So once it connect, you can easily use with your phone. So you can see it's already connected. And now if you want to update, there is like update firmware. You can update your Anova. And once it's update, it's now easy. You can see there is the temperature. It's the current temperature now. And there is a set. You can set the temperature and also the timer, and then you can just start and it will be start. It's really easy, it's not difficult. Once you have in your hand, it's really easy, and you have the manual, so it will be easy for you to see and do all the stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also if you want to know how I make food using this Sous Vide machine, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on. See you in the next video guys. Bye.